Hey guys, today's look is an avatar. If you'd like to see how I do this look and future looks, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and just keep on watching. Starting as usual with a fully powdered base and contact lenses linked below, lay down an even layer all over of a blue body paint. It helps to do a tapping motion to layer instead of swiping. For the eyes, using your finger is a little bit easier. Blend over with a flat brush. While still damp, tap a white body paint in the center points of the face and blend out into the blue. I like to work between a beauty blender and a brush. Layer as needed. Highlight the anatomy of the neck as well and blend. Just follow your muscle structure. Once it's dry, go over with a white powder to seal a smooth layer. Using a bright blue powder, blend over the darker areas of the blue edges. Contour the hollows of the cheeks and the darker areas of the neck. Fill in the brows with blue body paint to really coat your brow hairs if needed, if yours are black like mine. It doesn't have to be perfect, as we'll be blending over it later. Use a medium blue powder to start making lined areas on the face and blend outwards and down on one side of each line. Mirror on the face and blend out into the hairline. Create an elongated figure 8 in the forehead and darken the edges and blend inwards. Layer the blue closer to each line and don't blend quite as far outwards to build up. Create a line level with the brows and blend outwards. Bring the blue below your eyes and on the upper lids. Blend a darker blue in a cat's eye shape towards your hair and blend. Repeat the lines and layers on the lower face. Layer to detail further. Add a line along the bottom portion of your nose. Contour the nose to create a wide bridge and detail the outlines of your nostrils. Blend the edges of the face with blue shadow and onto any exposed skin in your scalp areas. Once you're happy with the face, do the same line details on the neck, keeping the blending out and down. Go back in with navy blue and black shadows to deepen the details further. Add a white body paint evenly all over the eyelid areas. Define the inner point and carry below the lower inner quarter of your lower lid. Extend a straight cat's eye point out. Use a white liner on the lower waterline. Connect to the outer and inner points. Tap the bright blue shadow on the outer third of your upper lids. Add white body paint to the under portion of your nose below the blue line. Add a soft pink to your lips in the center and softly blend out, keeping the blue edge. Tap pink shadow on the nose and white powder in the middle. Draw a dark line down the center. Blend the blue out in the outer portions of your mouth and extend the corners. Set with a white powder. Add mascara to the bottom lashes. I decided to pause to pin my cardstock ears into place. Just blending the lips a bit more. Add white dots to the face areas. This can be in a pattern that you like, but it helps to add dots to one side and then to the other back and forth to help keep it mirrored. For lashes, I'm adding a more natural lash to the outer 3/4 only and coating with mascara. Carry the white dots onto the neck areas as well. Add a couple highlight lines to the nose and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know that you have a huge selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so incredibly grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of mine. I'll see you next time.